Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Gmail signature with images, social icons, or logo. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through getting to the right place in Gmail, creating your signature space, and understanding where to add your logo or social icons so your emails look polished and professional. Start by opening Gmail and heading to your inbox. From there, look to the top right for the gear icon, which opens Quick Settings. Click it to reveal a compact panel with a few common options. In that panel, choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings view, where all the detailed controls live. You'll land on the General tab. Scroll down until you see the Signature section. This is where you'll create and manage one or more signatures. If you work with different roles or teams, having multiple signatures can save time and keep your branding consistent. Select Create New. A small prompt will appear asking for a name. Give your signature a clear descriptive name, something like work, personal, or support, so you can easily recognize it later. When you're happy with the name, choose Create. Gmail will add a new signature block and open a rich text editor for it. Inside this editor, you can type your details, format text, and importantly, prepare space for your logo or social icons. You'll notice a formatting toolbar above the text area. That's where you'll find options for adding images and turning them into clickable links. For logos, a small, high-quality PNG often looks best. Aim to keep it modest in size so it doesn't overwhelm your message. Think around 1 to 2 inches wide on screen. For social icons, many teams use simple square or circular icons sized consistently and link each one to the relevant profile. After inserting an image, use the size controls to keep everything balanced and readable on mobile devices. If you ever find that images appear too large in replies, consider choosing a smaller display size in the editor and leaving comfortable spacing between lines. It's also a good idea to test send an email to yourself and view it on both desktop and mobile to check alignment, readability, and how links behave. Below the editor, you'll see options you can explore to manage how your signature is used. As you continue working, remember that Gmail applies changes after you save at the bottom of the page. That's it. You've reached the signature editor and set up a named signature ready for your logo and social icons. Happy emailing.